basic science today. So, but before we start, I would like to ask some few questions. Can anybody tell me what we eat today? Any of you? Tell me what you ate in the morning. What did you eat?
I ate bread and tea.
Bread and tea? Yes. Okay. Eat bread and tea. Okay.
Rice.
Get rice. Bread and tea rice.
Bread and egg.
Bread and egg. Okay.
Rice and stew.
Bread and stew. Alright, thank you. Now, all this food that you ate, you mentioned rice, you mentioned egg, bread and egg, you mentioned bread and tea. All these things, where do you think we are getting all these things from? From where? From living things. Thank you. Any other person? Where do we get rice from? From plants. Yeah. Where do you get egg from? Yes.
Chicken.
From chicken. Thank you. Where do you get meat from? Meat.
From animals like ram or cow.
Thank you. We get all these things from plants and animals. We get all these things from plants and animals. Plants and animals. Are they living things?
Yes, ma'am.
They are living things?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Clap hand for yourself. So our today's topic is resources from living things. Resources from where?
Living things.
Thank you. Now, what are living things?
Living things are things in which they have life and can breathe.
Thank you. Thank you. Living things are those things that have life. So you mentioned plants are living things. Plants have life. You mentioned that animals are living things. Animals have life. So those things that have life, they call it living things. Now, resources means, who can tell me the meaning of resources? Can you try? Thank you. What we gain from living things. What we are gaining from plants, what we are gaining from animals. They are called resources from living things. Okay. Now, by the end of the class, you should be able to define the resources from living things, identify resources obtained from plants, and state the 4 major groups of plant resources. You should be able to identify resources obtained from animals, state the uses of resources obtained from both plants and animals. So these are what we are going to achieve at the end of this class. Okay. Can anybody define resources from living things? Okay, we just spoke about that. Now, can you tell me what is the meaning of resources from living things? Resources from living things.
Resources from living things are things we get from animals and plants.
Thank you. Resources are those material, those things that we get from both plants and animals that is helpful and is useful for human beings. For example, now you have egg from animal, from chicken. You have egg. Are eggs useful?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
What do you use egg for? Eggs.
You can use it to bake or to eat.
Okay. You can boil egg to eat. You can fry egg to eat. Anyhow you want to eat. It's for eating. Now we have watermelon. Where do you get watermelon from? From plants. Thank you. Where do you get milk from? Cow. Okay. Broccoli.
From
From plants.
Yes.
Okay. Vegetable. So fish.
From
From water. Fish. Thank you. You can call it animal. What about meat?
From cow.
But the one I just draw here is what?
This chicken.
This draws
This is lap.
chicken lap from chicken. So we have onions. What do you use onions for?
for cooking.
For cooking. Alright, thank you. Use it to
Ah,
fry
fries.
stew. Fry stew. Alright, thank you. So, let's check what we have here. Identify resources obtained from plants. Now mention, who can mention those resources that we obtained from plants? I just said it, but who can mention like 5?
Main herbs from plants, like the drugs. We obtain food from plants.
Food,
Vegetables
like
from plants.
vegetables.
We obtain vitamins from plants.
Okay, vitamins from fruits. Yeah. Who else? Resources, things we get from plants. Try. Just try your best. Mention those things that we get from plants. Those resources that we get from. Those materials we have from plants. Mention vegetables. Mention fruits. Mention what else?
Herbs.
Herbs. Thank you. Some herbs can be used for agbo.
Yes.
Yes.
How many of you have drank agbo?
Me.
Almost all of us have drank agbo. Now this agbo, we drink it to cure some illness, some sickness in our body. So some agbo use it to treat malaria and typhoid, right?
Yes.
So, but for pharmacy, drug production, they are using some herbs, some leaves. So they extract some plant extract. They extract some things from leaves in order to be able to produce the medicine. All these medicines that used to take, malaria medicine, typhoid, and all those things. So they extract it from plants. Okay. Now, state the 4 major groups of plant resources. So we have 4 major groups of plant resources. Who can mention the 4 major groups of plant resources? Any idea? Okay, let me help you out. So we have cash crop, we have food crop, we have what again? Textile.
Yes.
What again?
Textiles.
Okay. Dye and textile. So we have cash crop. Now what is cash crop?
Like our maize.
Cash crops.
Cash.
Example of cash crop, yes.
Maize.
Maize. No, this is not. One is not cash crop.
Cocoa.
Cocoa. Thank you. Now, cash crops are those crops that when they produce them in large quantity, and they are those crops that when they sold, it will fetch us money. So those are cash crops. Examples are cocoa. Cocoa are cash crops. So another example of cash crop. Yeah. Right. Cash crop. We have rubber. We have cotton. Those are cash crops. Sorry? Molds. Molds?
It's from cocoa.
Molds from cocoa. Okay. No, not really. I'm saying example of cash crop. Example of cash crop. Those crops that give us money, that when they produce in large quantity, when you sell them, it can fetch you money. Economic crops. They are cotton, rubbers, cocoa, and etc. So let's look at food crops. What are food crops? Food crops.
Yam.
What's the meaning of food crops?
Food crops can be defined as crops which we eat for the benefit of our body.
Thank you. There are those crops that we eat. Example of food crops are what?
Yam.
Yam,
Potato.
potato,
Maize.
corn, maize, millet, cassava,
Yes.
plantain, banana,
Carrot.
carrot, vegetables. There are much. So those are food crops. Onions. Those are watermelon, broccoli, vegetables. So there are food crops. So we have made mention of cash crops, those crops that give us money. We make mention of food crops, those crops that we eat, that we use for food. So we have dyes and textiles. Dyes and textiles. They are this group of crops that they use in the production of dyes and textiles. For example, okay, cotton. Cotton. Thank you. Any other person? Okay, we have here, there are some plants that they extract dyes from. The dyes that they use, for example, what's the color of your uniform? Wine. They are using dyes to make this have a wine color. They are using dyes to make my clothes a green color. They are using dyes to make your clothes blue, right? So there are some plants that produces dyes, and they are using it in textile industry. So we still have other group of plants that they use as drugs for treatments. For example, we mentioned that there are some plants that we use for our body.
Yes, ma'am.
There are some leaves that your mommy now go and plug, boil it. When they come out, they that color, they will filter it, drink it, and to be able to cure malaria, typhoid, all those things.
Fever.
And there are some plants that they use in the drugs manufacturing industry. So there are some plant extract that they use to produce medicine. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's talk about resources obtained from animals. What are the resources? What are those things that we obtain from animals? We've talked about plants. Now, this is animal. Okay?
We obtain meat from animals.
Sorry? Meats? Thank you. We obtain meat from animals. Milk. Thank you. We obtain milk from animals. We obtain egg. Thank you. From animals.
They use their cow skin in making of different things, like clothes.
Thank you. The cow skin, they use it for decoration. The cow skin, they can use it for all this drum. And leather, can use it to decorate drums. When you hit the drum like that, to make sound, it is cow skin that they use to cover the surface of the drum. Thank you. So, hide and skin. Their hide and skin are the major animal resources. So we just spoke about that. So we have livestock. What is livestock? Livestock.
They are like poultry.
Like
Like
poultry.
chickens, turkeys.
Yes, thank you. Those are livestock. For example, chicken. Those chicks that you rear it. When they grow, you now take them to sell. Or you kill it, you use it as food. Those that are rearing pig. Pig. How many of you know pig? So they rear pig, they rear fish, catfish, Titus fish. If they don't rear all these things, will you see meat to eat? No. You will not see meat to eat. If they don't rear all these chicken, you will not see chicken to eat. If they don't rear cow, you will not see meat to eat. And meat is very, very important for human. Yes, as protein. Meat is very important for human body. It helps as protein, as growth and development. So, if you look at our 6 classes of food, who can mention 6 classes of food?
Carbohydrates, fat and oil,
mineral. Thank you. Now, if you look at the 6 classes of food, it's made up of what? Made up of what? like fat and oil. Where can you get it from?
Animal.
From animal, right?
Pig.
Protein, where can you get it from?
Plant.
Protein, like vegetable, you can get it from plants. Now, all these things still boil down to plant and animal resources. Still boil down to what we get from plants and what we get from animals. Thank you. Now, still the uses of resources obtained from plants and animals. What are the uses of all those things that we get from plants and animals?
Now, for example, some resources that are gotten from plant and animal, they usually export them to other countries to get foreign exchange, which can be good for the economy.
Thank you. Those things that we get from plants and animals, you can export them to the country that they don't have. You collect money. Thank you. What else? What are the uses, the benefits of the resources from plants and animals?
Some of them, they bring it as raw material and they construct it to finished goods and export it to other countries.
Thank you. For example, we just mentioned plant extract. They use in medication. Do you understand? So we export these things to they are serving as raw material. So when they take it to when they are doing drug production, they will extract them. They serve as raw material. They will extract it and they use the amount or the quantity or what they want to use in the production of drugs. So they serve as raw material for production. Thank you. So, economic importance of plant and animal. What are the economic importance of plant and animal?
Now, plants are used to decorate. They are used for decoration of roads and other places and communities.
Okay, economic importance like the timbers, the wood, you get it from plants. So they use it as furniture. For example, if you go to big places like in school, we have this chair, this table is made up from wood.
Wooden material.
Yes, it's made up of plants. So without plants, you cannot have wood. You cannot see chairs to sit down. If there was no plant, maybe you'd be sitting on the ground. So we get wood from plants for furniture. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, dairy products. For example, milk. We get milk from animal. We get milk from
Animal.
From animal. Okay. Dairy products are rich in protein for replacement of worn-out tissue. For example, someone just fainted. They will now rush the person to the hospital. What is the first thing that they will recommend for the person? Watermelon, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You say, please, get me milk. The first thing they will give the person milk to take. It helps to replenish the worn-out tissue in the body. The person will not get strength. Okay. Thank you. Can anybody mention? We spoke about resources from living things, definition of resources from living things. We talk about plant resources. We talk about animal resources. We talk about the uses of resources. Now, who can tell me the meaning of resources from living things? Okay.
Resources from living things are those materials or assets that are acquired from living things.
Thank you. Hand up. Okay. Who can mention like 5 resources that we get from plants? 5 plants resources. 5 things that we get from plants.
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Eggs.
No, plants. Eggs is for animals.
Okay. Vegetables.
Okay.
farming.
Okay.
Herbs.
Yeah, herbs. Who else?
Timber.
Timber. Thank you. Who else? Rubber. Thank you. We have cotton. Thank you. Now, who have mentioned like 3 resources that we get from animals?
Egg.
Egg,
Meat. And fish.
and food. All right, thank you. So, I'll give you assignments. Number 1, define resources from living things. State and form major so, number 1 is define resources from living things. Number 2 is state the 4 major groups of plant resources. So, this assignment has to be submitted tomorrow